Alright, so you're struggling to scalp trade Bitcoin or just trading Bitcoin in general. Well, here's how you can make a shitload of money using this simple strategy. I've been doing this for a long freaking time right now. I'm making thousands of dollars every single week, and this is no joke. So yeah, let me just show you how I'm doing this and what you need. You need two things. The first thing is TradingView. Simply make sure that you have the premium version, because then you can have multiple layouts, which will help you a lot in trading. Secondly, make sure you have a Bybit account. I'm using Bybit for this tutorial, and Bybit is one of the biggest and best crypto exchanges. Not sure why you're using anything else. Best liquidity, lowest spreads, best slippage. So yeah, I would recommend using this. First link in the description. You will also get some deposit bonuses, and yes, I am an affiliate, but this is probably the best crypto exchange to trade leverage. So yeah, now what we're going to do is we're going to simply open four tabs with charts, and make sure to go to TradingView on both four tabs, on all four tabs. And then you want to open a 15-minute chart on Bitcoin, a 1-hour chart on Bitcoin, a 4-hour chart on Bitcoin, and you need a 1-day chart on Bitcoin. Here on the 1-day chart you can see the overall markets and the overall trend of the market. 4-hour chart you can simply see the 1-hour chart, but a lot more clear, which is a lot better. And if you just want to see the overall trend on the lower time frames, then the 1-hour chart we are actually going to use to trade. Then a 15-minute chart simply to see what the next 1-hour candle is probably going to look like. Alright, now the 1-hour chart. What we're going to do is I've reversed this chart a little bit because I've been trading this chart a lot. But I've reversed the chart a little bit, so let's see when we're going to get our first scalping opportunity. And yes, I'm going to show you guys a scalping strategy, and it's probably going to make you a lot of money if you do it right. At least I am doing it. So yeah, make sure to let me show you what I'm doing. Let's go. Alright, so we're waiting for a massive move down. So we had this massive move down, as you guys can see, and now we're starting to see a little bit of consolidation. So we want, of course, some more confirmation of this consolidation. Now we're getting clear confirmation of a consolidation, alright. And now what we simply can do is we can simply draw some lines. We can see that for now, of course, it's could always change, but for now, this is our area where we're trading at. And Bitcoin most of the time consolidates a lot when we see a massive move down. Now what you want to do is you want to go back to your Bybit. So go to Bybit or any exchange you're using, but I would recommend Bybit, like I said, link in description. Let's go. What you want to do is you want to simply make sure that you're, of course, not on cross, but on isolated. And that you are using around 50x leverage. I would not recommend more, not recommend less. 50x is a lot, but we're going to use proper risk management. What we're now going to do is going back into the 1-hour chart, 1-hour chart, not 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, and simply we're going to scout for an opportunity to long or short. What we're going to do is if the price hits this level, we're short. If the price hits this level, we're long. Alright, so now we can see the price hits this level. Of course, this is sped up a lot. However, normally it's on the 1-hour chart, so we have a lot more time to, of course, enter. That's probably pretty logical, of course. What we're going to do is we're going to simply short. What you want to do is you want to make sure that your stop loss is really tight. If we break out, it means we're having a breakout, and you don't want to have that trade open for too long. So I would recommend between 20 and 40, 0.2 or 0.4%. Yeah, just so you don't lose all your money. If we do decide to break out, down or out, and then we simply going to put our take profit here. So this is what you're going to type in simply on Bybit. You want your stop loss at 0.4% in the red and a take profit at 1.7% in the profits, meaning a 4.5 ratio, which is really good. Which means that you can get 4 trades wrong and you will still be in a profit if your 5th trade goes right. Now, all you want to do is, of course, put this here into Bybit. I'm not going to do that, it will take a lot of time, but yeah, you know what you're now going to do. Now we're going to play it again. And we can see our take profit perfectly got hit. Our take profit got hit, entry, take profit, really easy trade. Now simply what we're going to do is, of course, it will sped up again, but we're going to enter immediately into a long position. Our short position was immediately in a take profit, so you're immediately going to switch to a long position because this is hit. Go for 0.4% again, just like that. and make sure that your take profit is right around that line, that white line. We're going to simply wait, and we can already see that our take profit is already hit again. And what we're going to do is we are going to enter into a short position again. And yes, this is all you're going to do in order to trade crypto. It's really freaking easy. All you need to do is now enter into a short position again, and we can see 2 trades were immediately in the green with 50x leverage. That is more than 80% profit, which of course is really nice. Now we can see take profit is hit again. We're simply going to enter into a long position again. We have now 3 trades in the green. It's so freaking easy. But alright, we're going to go into a long position again because we have hit the white line again. Alright. We can see that now something interesting happened, because we of course got stopped out. Small loss of about what, like a really small loss at least. I'm not going to do the math right now, but what we're simply going to do is we're already going to enter again, because we can see this was a liquidity sweep. This can happen a lot. Simply what you want to do is you want to wait for the reclaim and you want to go long again. Now we have 3 green trades and 1 red trade. However, because we're using such a big risk to reward ratio, we're still in massive profits. And we can see that our take profit got hit. And if you would have been following the strategy, you would have been going short here. Which means that we now have 4 green trades and 2 red trades. However, the risk to reward, like I said, is really good. So yeah, now we're still making loads of profits. And I just fucked it up. Alright, let me just quickly do this again. Because I hit the spacebar and that's not what you want to do. Let's go back to the chart because we're not done yet. And we can still do this. We were around here. So what we're going to do is we're simply going to wait till we either reclaim it or to see we just fell back into this level. We could have also pumped and then you just want to wait for the next area of consolidation. However, we're already back into the channel again. So what you now want to do is you want to go for a long position again. Simply do like I told you guys. Of course, nothing is financial advice, but this is how I am trading, but no financial advice, of course. Here we can see that our take profit already got hit again. We can see we entered here, take profit here, and now the price already came to our entry again. So what we want to do, we of course want to enter into another long position. This was the 5th green trade and now we're going for potentially the 6th one. So what you want to do is you want to make sure to have 40% again and just wait till the Bitcoin price gets there. And this was the end. I'm still trading this actually. I entered right there and now you just want to wait till either the Bitcoin price hits this level or till you get stopped out. Of course, you're hoping for a take profit, which is possible. Sometimes, because I'm currently making this video when it's Saturday, it could take some time before your take profit is going to get hit. But I hope this just shows that you're actually really capable of making a lot of money trading small consolidation levels. We can do this not only there, but for example, we're going to another. I'm not going to show it, but show like how I did it last time. Quickly I want to show that you can do this in any area of Bitcoin. Simply take this area, a lot of consolidation. All you want to do is find an area of support, probably around this level, somewhere like this. And an area of resistance, somewhere around here. Now what you want to do is you want to, for example, you see that the price bounced here a lot, it came up, now this consolidation area is formed. Simply enter long here, short here, long here, short here. And you would have been going long and stopped out, which means you have 4 green trades with 1 red trade, and that is how easy it is. I know it might look really easy. It's not that easy as it actually looks, but if you just master this, shit's fucking easy, guys. So yeah, make sure to check it out. I would recommend, like I said, doing this over on Bybit. First link in the description. So yeah, that is currently my trading strategy, how I'm scalp trading, even when the market is really boring. So yeah, that being said, I hope I gave you some useful information in this video. If you did so, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. We're almost at 500 subscribers, which is crazy. But yeah, that being said, I hope, guys, I'll see you in my next maybe Bitcoin update video. So yeah, that being said, I hope I'll see you in my next video.